All right, what's going on, everybody? How we doing? How we doing? Hopefully everybody out there's having a great weekend. We've got some meme coins pumping. We've got some top cryptos pumping too. So wanted to come on here and talk shop a little bit and hang out with you guys for a little bit. Just made some of my videos for the day, and yeah, wanted to come out here and hang with you guys, spend some time. So there's definitely a lot to like right now in the markets. We've got some of the blue chip type meme coins pumping. We've got some new meme coins looking interesting. Some pre-sales looking interesting. So a lot to like about what's happening right now in the space. That's for sure. So you came to the right place. That's for sure. So, all right, let's take a look at what's going on here. So just kind of the breakdown of the top meme coins right now. Nobody's performing like Pepe and Brett. Pepe and Brett right now leading the charge here of the top, really big meme coins. Pepe's up 75+% in the last 7 days. Shout out to the Pepe community. Where are you guys at? Are you in the chat? Let me know. Pepe looks amazing. Getting close to a $7 billion market cap. I had 700 in my mind because Brett is up even more than that in the last week. Brett's up 78%. This is the largest meme coin on base, ranked number 227 in the world. It is up 78%, and it is over a $700 million market cap now. So we got Brett over 700 million, Pepe getting close to 7 billion, and Dogecoin had a nice little surge, actually, the last 7 days. Actually, just the last 48 hours or so, up 12+%. I've got a video coming out later today, so I don't want to talk about this too much, but a video regarding Shiba Inu, why it's not pumping, why it's kind of slow right now compared to your Pepes and some of your other top meme coins. So I'll save that video for you guys to check out later on the channel. If you aren't yet subscribed, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. We break down crypto every single day right here. So whether they're YouTube shorts or these live streams or videos, I've got 4 videos coming out later today throughout the day. So good morning to everybody out there. I see AI Wolfenberg in the house. Cheers, brother. I've got my coffee. Let me know. Do you guys have your coffee? What are you drinking this morning? This is Pike Place black coffee. There you go. Espresso style. Where do we see Pepe going? Another 5x from here, 10x from here. I could see an 8 to 10x from here. It's getting pretty big, so it's going to be harder and harder to move this needle, but there's still a lot of money on the sidelines, a lot of capital that's not come back into crypto yet. So Dunkin' Donuts caramel, there you go. There you go, AI. Yeah, we could talk about Brett and Bonk. I want to make this kind of open forum and take some questions when it comes to meme coins, how we're structuring our portfolio, etc. Brett is a mainstay. Been talking about this one since it was a $100 million market cap, even through the FUD that we had where, Brett came all the way down and, it looked like, oh man, this thing might be done with. It had a lot of FUD that it went through, came back down to about $300 million market cap. But as soon as we had the double bottom and the reversal, and I'll show you what I mean, I got extremely bullish. And if you guys were paying close attention to the channel, you guys know that we got extremely bullish on Brett right here. See this double bottom right here? It hit 300 million. It went back up a little bit, hit 300 million again and bounced. That big green candle bounce, that was huge. That was huge for me. That is a very bullish indicator right there on that Brett bounce. See, we came back down to 300 million, and then this big green candle right here, I knew something was brewing, that it was going to get crazy. And look at this surge. I mean, tell me that chart's not extremely bullish right now. Again, just continuing to move up here today as well as we speak, almost at a $730 million market cap. So Brett was one that we've liked for a really long time. Brett was obviously very bullish because it's the biggest, largest meme coin on the base chain. We know how big the base chain could potentially be here. And I think we're just getting started, honestly. And I think this could potentially be a multi-billion-dollar project. That's just me, okay? That's just my opinion here. But looking at where we are, looking at how big the base chain can get, looking at, the future of new money coming in and where they're going to flock. They're going to flock into the meme coin space. They always do. They'll probably come in by way of Dogecoin and SHIB, etc., Pepe, right? And then they're quickly going to learn about some of these other top meme coins in the space. I made a video today about WIF. It's really interesting. Wait till you see what we learned about WIF just recently and the big money that's flowing in there. Very awesome. And it's great for the entire meme coin space. So many people get frustrated if it's not their meme coin they own that's moving or that's not moving or whatever. Guys, capital coming into this entire space is huge because that money recycles and resurfaces into various projects. Currently, according to CoinMarketCap, we've got a $62+ billion market cap for meme coins. That's huge. That's huge. That's a good sign all around because it shows us that there's interest. And where there's interest, there's money, there's capital. And again, that money resurfaces and recycles all the time. Pedro Garcia just became a member of the channel. Pedro, the crypto charting analyst from Tom's channel. My man, good to see you in the house. What's up, Pedro? Welcome, brother. Good to have you. And thank you so much for becoming a member here on YouTube. You guys can become a member if you want to show your support too, and you come up in green, and then I kind of prioritize your comments here and things like that. So good morning, everybody. Good morning, Ken. How you doing, brother? Terry is out here from Volt Inu, my man. I did drop into the Volt Army this morning and tell everybody I was going live. Obviously, Volt's very strong community. I think very undervalued too as an ERC20 crypto. Obviously, you guys are multi-chain, but Ethereum is the granddaddy of them all, if you will. Volt right now sitting at around a $30 million market cap. So we know the potential there. They're up 16% this week, up 32%, or excuse me, up 16+% today, up 32% in the last week. So shout out to the Volt community. Let's see here. Great day to be here. Yeah, what's up, Ken? How you doing, man? We've got a lot of things happening in the meme coin space. So I don't know if you guys caught wind of this, but a meme coin that was mentioned on our Twitter spaces by my co-host at the time, Zach from Subway, was talking about this new MAGA coin at a $1 to $2 million market cap. It is insane what has happened. Okay, this is, and again, I'm not saying go chase this right now, but this is the MAGA coin that was listed at a $1-2 million market cap. Look where it is now. I don't know if you guys can see that. 121 million. Absolutely insane. $121 million market cap right now. It's up 117% again today. You've got Barron Trump. Barron Trump. This is, obviously all this political stuff is definitely driving a ton of new meme coins, right? So you got to stay on top of these various plays. Donald Trump, the OG, one we found sub $1 million market cap, sitting at 116 million, still looking really strong. Amazing. $1.16. This thing spiked all the way to $1.45 just about 4 or 5 days ago, which is crazy. Yeah, shout out to Coyote Token, which is obviously the token of one of my co-hosts on my Twitter spaces, Zach from Subway. So shout out to you, brother. Shout out to you, my man. This is Reic. We just talked about Reic Finance. They're building up nicely. They just launched recently. Definitely not a meme coin, but a utility type play. So shout out to Reic. We just put a video out on them a couple days ago. They're looking strong, up 18%. They've got these DeFi debit cards, which are very, very interesting. So that's a utility-based play for you if you're interested in checking that out. And then shout out to the Kendu community. How about the Kendu Army? Really nice breakdown here of their chart. Look at that. What a comeback this has been. And another green day here, up 10+%. We're sitting at just about a $45 million market cap. Love this one long term, guys. Again, we found this one when Satoshi Kusama was following these guys. It's Kendu Inu, Kendu. Found this one when Satoshi was following him. I think it was sitting there like at $1 million market cap. It's 45x since we first talked about it. So if the Kendu Army's here, make sure you guys get everybody else in here too from the community. I love you guys. You guys are super, super awesome, super loyal too to the Kendu crew. So appreciate you guys. Oh yeah, I see some people from the Kendu community in here. What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, I love Floki, Anna Meng. I love Floki in this bull cycle. I think it's super underrated. You know, it's an OG. It's been around for a while. And Floki's doing a lot of similar things to what SHIB is doing, building like real utility. So it's going to take a little time, right? But obviously, their sister token is very intriguing too with TokenFi. Just covered a project. I believe it's the first project creating a, they're utilizing the RWA platform. It's called Chuki Records. They're looking to decentralize music. Just covered them on the channel. Thought it was awesome to see a project go and use TokenFi's tech. And again, TokenFi owned by the Floki team. So I think they have a lot going for it, man. Yeah, I know about Turbo. Turbo's up another 15%. Man, what a surge. What a comeback. I mean, unbelievable comeback on Turbo. Here, let me show you this. Look at that chart. That's the Turbo chart. $314 million market cap, but talk about some green candles, man. Absolutely crazy. So yeah, shout out to Turbo and the community over there. Over 8 million in volume last 24 hours, $314 million market cap. Turbo on Ethereum. So a lot of ERC20 tokens starting to roar, if you will, right? So starting to flex their muscles a little bit. Pepe's just been unbelievable, right? $6.6 billion market cap. Look at the chart. I mean, what more can you say about Pepe and their community and what's happening right now with them? So, you know, Ponky's also been really good on Solana. Ponky just recently overtook Myro and market cap. It's up again today, trying to go and capture all-time highs yet again. $254 million market cap there, making a really, really nice surge as well recently. Crazy breakout there on Ponky. So that's looking really, really good. There's just so much to like right now in the space. You got Mary on Kronos. So what's happening on Kronos is pretty interesting. This looks pretty promising still. This is Mary, M-E-R-Y, $20 million market cap. You are starting to see a nice surge in Kronos meme coins. The Crypto.com blockchain is slowly but surely gaining some really, really big eyeballs. And I think, you know, you're starting to see a lot of whales come over here and really pump up these cryptos on the Kronos chain. This is that MVP token. We talked about this on Twitter Spaces too. This looks really, really good. MAGA VP. This is, again, a political play. $26 million market cap, contract ending in 5820. Another one for you guys to check into. This is on Ethereum, $26 million market cap. It's a ticker symbol MVP. We highlighted this. Actually, shout out to Rodney from Crypto Journey. He actually highlighted this one way back when, probably right before this big pump, actually, somewhere right in here is where we talked. Calls here this morning, of course. Family hitting me up like crazy. They don't know that crypto doesn't sleep, right? Let me text. That was my sister trying to call in here. Hold on, let me just message her and tell her. And my grandfather was calling me before that. Okay. I think they all just want to say hello. Hopefully you guys are hanging out with family this weekend and things like that. Definitely cool. So, let's see here. What else do we got popping? What else is popping? What are you guys looking at? What are you guys taking a look at here? I'm curious what's on your guys' radar. We do have some utility-based cryptos, you know, because part of this live I wanted to kind of highlight, you know, what we're doing to build a really strong portfolio. So I did want to kind of get into that. Caspa has looked strong. That's a big part of my portfolio. CAS, ranked number 31. We're up 13+% this week. Caspa sitting right around 14 cents. So that's really, really nice. Roger, thanks, man. Your grandfather in crypto. He's not, but he's interested. I love Caspa, man. Absolutely love Caspa. Near protocol has been huge. You're right, bro. How about Ondo Finance, guys? I don't want to say I told you so, but I told you so. Ondo Finance, the largest RWA platform. If you were listening to this channel, we were calling it back at 75 cents. Like, guys, this is an unbelievable dip opportunity. Just happened in the last month. I mean, the middle of this month, 11 days ago, Ondo Finance, ONDO, was sitting at 75 cents. And I came on one of these live streams, talked about buying the dip heavily. This is the largest RWA specific crypto. Now, Chainlink is up there. Chainlink has been in RWA for a while. Love Chainlink too. They've had some recent bullish news. I'm heading out to Consensus out in Austin, Texas on Tuesday. My flight leaves. Conference starts on Wednesday. Chainlink CEO speaking out there. Really looking forward to that. I'll be bringing you guys news and information from the conference as well. So again, make sure you guys are subscribed because we'll be highlighting what's going on out there. There's a little different than when I was in Dubai. In Dubai, it was interesting because a lot of people were telling me like you can't film without people's permission. So I couldn't just walk around and do my thing like I did at ETH Toronto back in 2023. I'll do that again this year. But when I'm out here at Consensus, I'm going to be doing some pop-up live streams. Hopefully I can talk to some really influential people and bring you guys all of that great news and insights and things like that. But Ondo Finance, in the last 10 days, huge gains, right? We're currently sitting at $1.28. We spiked all the way up to $1.34. And again, we were at 75 cents like literally 10 days ago. That was a dip of a century. And I don't think Ondo's done. I think it's still very undervalued. I'm not saying go in and, FOMO in right now and put everything. Just pick your spots, right? And if you're looking for a tool to help you with a good entry on any of these top cryptos, XT Algo is my company, linked down below. Guys, this is what it could be perfect for. If you're looking for those really good spots, wait for momentum down and then a reversal pattern, like a momentum up, right? And you can really get a good spot and a good entry. There will be dips in the market, right? You don't have to FOMO. Any market cap prediction for TokenFi? Hex, great question, man. It's hard for me to give a prediction. I just think, the fact that it's on the heels of an RWA narrative that is heating up, really strong volume still. It's currently sitting at a $68 million market cap. Looks really, really good. I mean, I think this could be $1 billion market cap. I don't think that's crazy. I mean, we already went to 150 million, I think at the high. It spiked up to 24 cents. It's currently sitting at 13 cents, but still looks really, really good. I mean, here's the TokenFi chart. This is actually an interesting, potentially an interesting, area here. Okay, if we break through this, look out. We've got some room to run. 27,000 holders. You know how big the Floki ecosystem is. You know how big the RWA narrative is. And again, still well into the millions in daily volume. Very, very much a utility token play that I like here. Again, sub 70 million right now. I think there's a lot of value in that price tag. Just my opinion. And I was a day one investor with TokenFi. I was day one. So I was in there very, very early. Daddy Token, Ronnie from My Crypto Journey has launched his own meme coin. Oh, really? That's freaking hilarious. Nice. Appreciate the super chat. What's your honest opinion on the Wolfpack community? Take over this WK. Well, honestly, AI Wolfenberg, I don't know much about it. I know you represent it. I know you talk about it all the time. I haven't had a chance to really dive in. So, best coin to buy on Solana right now. I mean, like, are you looking in the utility space? Are you looking, there are some hot ones right now. One that has fallen off recently that I think still looks kind of interesting is this Drift token. It's at 50 cents right now, 81 million. This is a utility type play. And then we've got Zeus. The Zeus network is one that I like longer term. So that's another play that I think is interesting, long-term play. Zeus and Drift are two that I own a little bit of. But then Solana meme coins are just crazy. So I've got a good sized position in some Solana meme coins. I started a little portfolio with like $2,000, and I've been just stacking, slowly but surely building it up. So that's pretty nice. Yeah, Shiba and Pepe. I think they're both going to do really, really well in this bull cycle, right? And I actually have a full video coming out later today on that on the channel. Why Shiba Inu coin is trailing behind Pepe right now. What do I expect to see over the next several months? So make sure you guys check out that video. I don't want to give everything away because I want you to check it out because I did put some thought into it and gave you guys my ideas. Ruby's got a $2 super chat. Thanks so much, Ruby. Your top low market cap gem. Oh man, it's so hard to give one. And appreciate the super chat. Thank you so much. Really appreciate all your guys' support. No matter what, make sure you just subscribe. That's totally free to do. If you give a super chat, that's awesome. I appreciate it. Super low cap gem. Well, I'll tell you, I own quite a bit of FTW. That's Apollo for the win. This is one that's been around for a while. It's only at a $4 million market cap, just below a $4 million market cap. They're heavy into gaming. I think they have something really special that they're building. And I've held this one. I've taken profits along the way. They came way back down in the bear market, and I added a little bit to my position. I know the dev team pretty well. I think they're going to build something really cool in the gaming side. So gaming's kind of being lost in the shuffle right now. So I think there's a lot of gems right now in the gaming side. So that would be one that I like. It's FTW, ticker symbol FTW. Contract ends in 3989. It's on Ethereum. Not financial advice, but I really like that one. So there you go. See, if you do ask a super chat, we make sure we get it answered. And we try to answer everything in here. Wolf is my gem. Thanks. Oh, okay. All right, AI. Yeah, I know you've been bullish, bro. Roaring Kitty on ETH. Yeah, we've talked about that one before. Roar. It's up a little bit today too. At least it was. Here it is. It's up 10+%. $1 million market cap. It's come. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, it still looks pretty good. It's still only at $1 million. Yeah, Roar looks good. That's contract ending in 790F. Looks good. I had a Roaring Kitty on Sol that did pretty well. Just was a short-term swing trade. AI Wolfenberg says Moneyman token also is my moon bag. Yeah, I'm in there. I'm in the pre-sale on Moneyman token. That's a new Ethereum meme coin launching soon. It's currently in pre-sale phase. If you just go to Moneyman token on X, it's at Moneyman token. You'll find it. Definitely check them out. They're currently in pre-sale. It'll be interesting. I'm looking forward to seeing what that one can do. Oh, you still got Bob Ollie. Yeah, Bob was a fun one last year. That whole Bob and Wojak and that whole thing. Wen's another one that's kind of underrated. I agree. W-E-N, Wen. I like that one a lot, CJ. And Turbos went just parabolic here. I wouldn't FOMO in right now at Turbo prices where we are right now, but that's just me. I really like Kendu still, under a $50 million market cap. Kendu Inu, which we highlighted that. I still really like Kendu at these levels. There is another little token that I've got a little bit of. It's called Alan, the alien on Solana. Microcap, 378K. I own a little bit of it. There's still good volume. I mean, hopefully it takes off. We'll see. Easy does it. Appreciate the $2 donation, man. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you, bro. A lot of these political meme coins are going to be hot for a while too, guys. Do not sleep on this political meme coin side of things, okay? It's not going to go away. I think we've got, a nice run up with all of these from now until, November. So there could be a lot of potential here to make some money with these various meme coins that are politically motivated and politically based. It doesn't matter like what your side of the aisle you sit on. Who cares, right? We just want to take advantage of the meme coin space anywhere we can And the biggest thing with meme coins that we know it like works is like following narratives, following like what's hot, right, in the space. And we know that we have some built-in catalysts with the election happening here for a while. So that's going to be interesting to see how that plays out for sure. Plebs is interesting. I know about Friends. We own Friends. We've heard about Plebs through the Crypto Alliance. Good morning, True. How you doing, man? Donald Trump and Geo Bowden. I own both of them. Yeah, those are like kind of blue chip meme coins in that political sector, in my opinion. Yeah, Donald Trump we owned before around a $500,000 market cap. Donald Trump. Now it's at 116 million. I just said like a couple weeks ago, like $1.50 is inevitable on Trump, and that's when it was like 50 cents. I was like at 3x here, and we've already basically done it. It spiked up to $1.43, and I think there's still room. That one's been nuts, man. I did not think that was going to take off the way it did. A lot of interesting blue chips been doing its thing. Jasmy woke up today. Where's my Jasmy community at? Jasmy's in the top 80 again, up 7+%. How about Uniswap has had an unbelievable week, up 48%. Pepe's been on an absolute tear, up 75%. We mentioned Ondo crushing it this week, up 41+%. Absolutely love that. Lido DAO, which brings liquid staking to Ethereum with all the Ethereum ETF news and all of that, it's up 50% in the last week. Lido, L-I-D-O, ticker symbol LDO. These are some blue chip top 100 plays. Bonk has had a nice week, up 37%. Nice resurgence there. Dogecoin came up yesterday nicely. We've got Chainlink, I think, looking closer and closer, like it's ready to break out, in my opinion. I think we have some really positive news there coming for Link in the near weeks and months. So I like that play as well, both short-term and long-term, depending on how you're looking at it. Mentioned Kaspa. Really, I've built up a big position in Kaspa, so it's going to be a wild ride if Kaspa does what we think it can do. You know, smart contracts coming to Kaspa like they did with Bitcoin and the whole BRC20 movement. Kaspa's going to do something similar. Most of their supply will be out during this big bull run. That's huge. Kendu's up 40% this week. Huge resurgence, huge bounce back. Loved it. Chili's is up today. CHZ. This is the fan token. I like this one a lot, and it's just I just don't know if it's getting the community support as much as I thought it would. And maybe it's just too early. I mean, they're still at a $1.1 billion market cap, but I still like the whole idea of the fan tokens. That's CHZ, Chili's. They're ranked number 74. They're a top 100 crypto. They're solid. Appreciate all the new people popping in here. Appreciate all the new people subscribing to the channel. Remember, guys, we're here every single day making videos, putting out live streams. We don't miss a day. So if you want to subscribe to a channel to help get your news and information and maybe get some interesting plays for this bull run and just belong to a great community that supports each other, definitely hit that subscribe button. The more the merrier. And appreciate all the new people here bouncing in on the stream. Appreciate all the people who come back every single time, too. You guys are very, very, you guys are OGs. I think Brett's still undervalued here, man. That's just my opinion. At $700 million, I think a Coinbase listing is inevitable for Brett. You know, we haven't had it yet, obviously, but looks really, really good, man. Looks really, really good. I love it. Appreciate you, Nigel. Thanks, man. Jasmy and VeChain prediction. Yeah, I mean, VeChain's one that, again, just where's the community at? You know, their tech's amazing. You can't deny that. Just no real backing, right? No real strong community. But, you know, it's similar to like how I feel about Polygon. I love Polygon. You know, one of the best, you know, companies out there bridging the gap from Web 2 to Web 3. Just not a strong community right now. AI, I didn't help your Brett Moonbag. You helped yourself, man. I didn't do that. I just gave you guys my opinions, my thoughts, and you made your decisions. So that's on you, bro. You looked at it for what it is and decided to get in. right? That's your call, not me. But I've been giving you guys my thoughts on Brett and where I stand on it. So I don't know if the Polygon system is owned by Warren Buffett. I never heard about that. Is that true? Oh, I got you. When you won the $1,000 contest, AI Wolfenberg, you were able to stack more Brett. Nice. That's working out well for you, dude. That's what it's all about, right? Let your money work for you. You know, it takes money to make money, right? Plebs on ETH. So the plebs community out here. Hey, if you guys are part of the plebs community, welcome. Put it in the entire Telegram, man. Get the entire community out here. Get the entire plebs family out here. If you're from the plebs community, subscribe to the channel. If you're from the Pepe community, subscribe. If you're from the Brett community, if you're from the Kendu community, love you guys. Love you guys. Shib American, created by Vitalik, has potential. Interesting, Ruby. Thanks for the $2 super bomb there. Appreciate you, bro. Or I don't think you're a bro. Or no, yeah, you are a bro. Appreciate you, man. That's your third super chat on a live stream. Thanks, Ruby. Cat with hat. Sounds interesting. I don't know much about it, though. I mean, definitely playing on the whole dog with hat. I get it. You know, recently, I don't know if you guys saw this, Trump went on and basically explicitly said he's going to make America the leader in Bitcoin and crypto. He is, as I mentioned, quadrupling down on his Bitcoin stance. This is interesting. It's becoming a hot button topic. I think it's beautiful for our industry that both Democrats and Republicans now can't avoid crypto and the conversations around it. But basically Trump, you know, went on to say that does not want CBDCs, you know, and he said some things regarding the right to self-custody. That's big, right? Like that's DeFi, guys. So, because it's one thing to have ETFs and have them be controlled by the big companies like BlackRock, Fidelity, cool, right? It gives merit to our industry, but that's different than keeping the door wide open for DeFi and the ability to self-custody your own crypto if you so choose. So, thought that was interesting. We'll see if like the Democrats now double down on their stance. Like it's good because it's forcing the other person's on the other side of whatever it is being discussed to kind of say, hey, what's your stance on this now, right? And if you don't have a pro stance when the other person does, it's kind of like, you know, not a good look. So crypto is definitely a big part of this discussion. No doubt. Yeah, I got this shirt when I was down in Texas. I'm headed to Texas Tuesday, so I figured I'll rock this shirt for a little bit. I'm actually getting ready to go to the gym, so this is one of my workout shirts. But yeah, I am not a huge Texas fan per se, but I went to a Texas football game, so I had to get a shirt. You know what I mean? I'm an Ohio State fan, so from Ohio, not a fair weather fan. So there you go. But that day I was a Texas fan. They lost to Oklahoma State. I think it was a close game too. A couple years back. All good, brother. Nice. Glad to have you stumbled across your channel. Infamous, thanks, man. I'm just starting to learn meme coins. Literally about to do first buy ever today. Thanks to you and everyone else helping others get in on this. Yeah, man, for sure. And like, you know, don't feel like you got to go all in or anything, right? Just get your feet wet, kind of feel out the space, and slowly but surely, dude, you're going to learn a ton. And I love that we get new people on these live streams every single time we do them. So if you are brand new, this is a great channel for you to start. It's a great channel to add to your, as I say, Rolodex of information, because I know there's a lot of people you guys can go to. There's a lot of people with different perspectives. And the fact that you guys are, you know, making this channel part of your research and part of your information is very humbling. So appreciate you guys. And thanks for being here. Normie is a meme coin on the base chain, and I like Normie. I think it's kind of interesting. It's been one of those ones that I think people have slept on a little bit. Yeah, I like Normie. And Toshi as well. Toshi is at $132 million market cap, sitting on a nice support line right now. Toshi, I like that one as well. Normie, I think, is even a smaller market cap. let's see here. Normie on Solana is going crazy right now. That's not the one I was looking at, though. Normie on Ethereum, which is on the base chain. Got to find the right one, though. Make sure you find the right one. Where is it? Where is Normie? Wolfpack coin, real community takeover, will be the governance coin of all meme coins. 100 plus coins will launch under Wolfpack coin. Easy does it. Thanks, man. Appreciate you, bro. Thanks for the insight, and thank you for the super chat. Appreciate that. Let's see. Oh, something big happened with Normie. Oh, what happened here, guys? So 8 hours, so they're down 100%. What happened here? Is it a migration? Hold on, let me try to figure this out. Okay, so at 1:06 a.m. this morning, they said, we're still here. We ask that you be patient. It's a difficult situation for all of us. We will resolve this as soon as possible. More info to come. The deployer wallet has 500 plus ETH at the moment. Everything will be used to make this right. Apologies for the delay. We are on it and on chat active in the Telegram. We still are not sure if this needs to be relaunched or forked. We won't make rush decision. Also, we're actively reaching out to key partners to help us solve this. What happened? Meanwhile, Exploiter keeps minting. Okay, so somebody exploited. Do not buy until we have more confirmations. So Normie got exploited. Something big happened here. Exploiter, we accept your offer to return 90% of the exploited Ethereum. You may keep 10%. All ETH from the Normie dev wallet will be used to rectify the situation and assist in our relaunch. Oh man, this doesn't sound good. This doesn't sound good. Well, Normie did look good. This is the dark side of meme coins, guys. Do not get in this at all right now. I've just been looking at this. Luckily, we never bought it. I was tracking it because I thought it was interesting. It always had good volume. It looked like it had a good, strong community. It did. 23,000 Twitter followers, but I'm glad I stayed on the sidelines. Something weird's up with this. Don't touch this one. I don't know what's going on there. This happened because you didn't buy friends, pretty sure. I have friends, man. I have friends. In more ways than one. All right, let's see what else we got popping. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us here. Good morning to all the folks from far and wide. Appreciate you guys. Hoge is still around, huh? Meme coin Hoge. Oh, excuse me. If you guys are interested in trading on leverage, obviously don't do it if you don't understand it. But my Margex link is down below if you're interested with that. We've got, I got this whale right now using my Margex link. Traded over 40 million in Caspa last week. Who is that? Are you out there? You are a whale, my friend. That is crazy. Talk about a freaking power move, right? That's insane. Morning, Jerry. How you doing, man? I'm still updating some things in the new place, guys. So I'm building a. I'll show you guys actually. So this is my office right now. My office is my kitchen table right now. I'll show you guys. This is my office set up right now. My kitchen table is being used as my office. But you know, the place is coming together a little bit. You know, the spot's coming together. All this new flooring is in. Pretty nice hang, you know. Pretty chill hangout spot. Right here, got the big TV up on the wall. and put together some stuff on the front porch today, or yesterday. So I'm going to get like I'm going to get a love seat out here for this side, but you know, got a little spot to drink your coffee in the morning. You know what I mean? Right there. And a couple bedrooms upstairs, bathroom. So we got, you know, the condos coming together. But down here is where the fun is going to happen once it's ready, guys. So they're starting to do some work down here. They're doing the framing. So this is going to be awesome down here. So my office and everything, I'm going to have a bathroom over there. But all my office and podcasting studio, this is all going to be walled off over there. But podcasting and my desk is all going to be in here. I'm going to soundproof all of this. So like all of this little corner over here is going to be my office, nice and soundproofed. It'll come out a little bit into this space right here, and then bathroom will be over there, walled in. But a podcasting station all over here. Then this will be a big room where, you know, you'll be able to watch TV over here. I'm going to have a big bar set up over there. So I'll be filming videos from the bar, looking this way, and then I'll have my whole studio set up over there. So I'm looking forward to being able to do a lot more with like podcast and like maybe even bringing some people out here, you know, to where I'm at and, you know, having like longer form conversations about crypto, the markets, live in person. So I'm trying to make this like a hub, like my basement, like my hub. But right now, a lot of construction going on. They had to do a lot of work up here. This was all tile and carpet in here. And so we put all the flooring down, all new hardware, got all the new black hardware everywhere. And yeah, slowly but surely it's coming together. So yeah, we got the little hangout out here, front porch and everything. Yeah, so she's coming together. But that's my office right now. That light's got to go. I'm going to fix that light. But yeah, this is where all the magic happens right now. So that's what we've got. Turbo has a chance to break the top 10. No, it's been crushing it, man. Turbo's been looking great. Yeah, William, I like to show people kind of, you know, show people the spot, if you will. My garage is filled with all kind of crap. But there's my baby. There's my baby, my Defender. Yeah, Normie, we were just talking about it. I got this thing. It's a 2020. That's the first nice thing I got when I made a little bit off crypto. I had to get a little something. I always had like a Jeep or something that sits up. I'm like, man, I've always wanted a Land Rover Defender. It's got 89,000 miles on that thing now. Freaking getting up there. I've been driving that thing everywhere, man. Florida, North Carolina, all over the damn place. But, you know, slowly coming together. Crypto life. This is it. The life of a 34-year-old bachelor in crypto. There you go. Got a date today, though, too, so we'll see what happens. Got a date today, guys. Taking her to a nice little lunch spot, little brunch place, maybe get a mimosa. So, try to impress her a little bit today. When are you visiting PA? Oh, I know PA very well. Which part of PA, Jerry? Where you at? We're at in PA. PA is a big state. Yeah, that stuff with Normie sounds super sketchy. First off, I would not touch it at all. Wait and see what they do, but yeah, that sounds super sketch. Oh, Scranton, where The Office was filmed. Yeah, I know Scranton. Cool, man. That's cool. Good luck with the date. Watching from Australia. Hey, man, appreciate it. I went out with her last week, too. First time I took her out. She asked me to go to a wedding in June, so I was like, all right, I'll take her out. We went to a baseball game last week. It was pretty sweet. Got some good seats. You know, sat like 8 rows up. So she was like, oh, these are great seats. I'm like, yep. What's up, Jocko? We're over here in Allentown. There you go, Joe. I know Allentown. Allentown, PA, yep. Infamous, you got this, man. Just keep going. Just stay in the game. That's the thing with crypto, guys. Just stay in the game. You know, don't over leverage yourself. Don't feel like you got to get that one big hit. Don't feel like you got to have 100x or it's all over. You know, just work to get those 5 to 10x's and build and stack that portfolio, right? Classy Casey, you from Akron? That's awesome. I'm from Youngstown originally. So right down the road. I saw LeBron play in high school. Crazy. Yeah, Akron's right down the road. I went to school at Kent State, which is, I'm sure you know exactly where it's at. That's epic. A lot of new people in here. What's up, everybody? If you're new here, hopefully you guys are subscribing to the channel. You know, we just kind of break things down, have fun with it. Right here on the channel, we're always here. You know, whether we're live or putting out videos or whatever, we're here. So, BitTorrent's interesting. You know, I just there's too many things to like. There's too many things to invest in. So it's just one that I haven't got into yet. But I don't think it's necessarily a bad project. But let's see here. So when do you think ETH will hit over 5K? I think it's inevitable, Roger, in this cycle when nobody has a crystal ball, right? I mean, obviously when these Ethereum ETFs go live, I do expect enough capital to come in there to send us to a new all-time high. When though, I mean, it could take weeks, months, but I think we'll have to see, you know, what those inflows look like once everything is solidified. Meme coin under 10 million. There's a lot of them under 10 million, but it's like trying to find one that's primed and like ready to go, right? That 10 million. That's an interesting spot. Okay, so we know about Donald Trump, obviously, and Geo Bowden. I don't hate this Geo Rogan, because eventually I think during this whole political craziness, these more influential people, like, you know, we had like the Tucker Carlson, which I still hold a little bit of that. I do own a little bit of this Geo Rogan on Sol. That's their chart. Obviously it's coming down a little bit, but it's under 1 million right now, 900K. And I think Geo Rogan could do something interesting if and when, which I think will happen, when like Rogan says something, you know, that's big and during this political race or something, he has somebody on or something could happen there where like I could see Geo Rogan like pumping from less than 1 million to something. So there's one in particular that I think, just looking at my list here, like my quick list of one that I own that could be interesting. No guarantees, obviously, but I'm just giving you guys my meme coin thoughts. My what do you call it? It's like speaking meme coin language. Greetings, everybody. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hello, hello, hello. I am going to pop off here, though, guys. I've got a bunch of videos coming out for you guys. As we leave, if you guys could hit the like button for us on your way out so people watch this on the replay, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got to go and do some more work here. I got 4 videos coming out, though, later after this stream's done. The first video will be coming out pretty soon after this, and they'll be staggered out throughout the day, so make sure you guys check them out. We'll talk more about meme coins as we roll into next week. I am getting ready to go to Consensus on Tuesday. Can't wait to give you guys content from the conference out there. We'll be doing content on the road. I'll be with Austin Hilton and Oscar Ramos out there. We're all getting into an Airbnb, so we'll probably be doing content together out there, which will be awesome. So looking forward to that, and you guys should be ready for that. We'll be probably doing some pop-up live streams with all 3 of those guys hanging out as we're in Austin. So looking forward to it, guys. Have a fantastic day. Enjoy it with friends and family. Every day is a blessing, and every day in crypto is just another big opportunity. So appreciate you guys. We'll see you. Don't forget to subscribe.